What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another Minimal Monday. Just a quick announcement for today's upload. As you already know, back to school is now upon us, and to some of you that is great news, and to others it's kind of a bummer. But I do believe today's announcement is fantastic news to everybody, and that is Minimal's back to school sale is now on. Headlined by up to 60% off over 200 different styles of garments that do include everything from outerwear to tops, sweats, shorts, cargos, and of course our denim, in addition to much more. No code is needed to access the discount. Everything has already been marked down. Simply head over to our website by clicking the link below and it'll take you right over there. Inventory is limited, so be sure not to waste any time to check out the sale. And with that being said, I will see you again next week for another Minimal Monday.